Hi, viewers. I am modern Hakimo Sannyasi. Viewers, I am modern Hakimo Sannyasi with the identification series of herbal plants uh, to help you in order to help you to recognize herbal plants written in the herbal books. So here we are to identify a plant named Hazar Dani. So its herbal name is Hazar Dani, and the its well-known identifications are its very tiny leaves, and there are ants under these plants, living under these plants, which is very peculiar thing, that there are ants under living under this plant named Hazardani. So here is Hazardani, a herbal plant, and here is its leaves, its shoots, and some of the ants living under it. Here is its another plant, and I hope whenever you see this plant, you will identify this herbal plant. And I will release the next series for benefits of these plants. But now we are going to identify these herbal plants named Hazardani. So here are the plants of Hazardani, and because as its name shows that its name Hazardani derived from so many granules, as its leaves look like granules, and therefore it is called Hazar Dani. Here we can see another plant of Hazar Dani herbal plant, and I hope it will help you to identify these plants in forest, in forests and in other fields, uh, so many places of this earth. Okay, now let me go, and I will come back with new identification series, with the new episodes of this series, and I will introduce next herbal plants from well-known Eastern book named Kitabul Mufarradat. So let me go now, and I will come back. Viewers, make more and more likes to my video and my channel named Modern Hakimo Sannyasi, and let me go now. I hope this will help the European friends who are seekers of alchemists and going to recognize and get these miraculous herbal plants. Okay, for now, goodbye.